Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today I have my first haul of 2023 and I'm excited because we got some goodies in here today, y'all. In 2022, I did a lot of blind. Like 90% of my collection is a blind buy. And I did pretty good. Had some fails, but for the most part, I did really, really good. Now in 2023, I'm still gonna be blind buying, but I'm just not gonna blind buy as much. I'm gonna go through my samples and my decants and make sure that I'm putting things into my collection that I absolutely love. So of course my people at Royalty Scents keeps me on point, and I got some decants from Royalty Scents, and spoiler alert, y'all, all of these was bangers. They was all bangers. So I got 3 decants from Royalty Scents, and y'all, if you are not hip to Royalty Scents, like, what are you doing? Like, Royalty Scents gives you the best size decants for the best price. Y'all know, like, I know a 8 to 10 ml decant of niche fragrances, you paying like $35-$40 now. You know what I'm saying? But with Royalty Scents, you can get an 8 to 10 ml decant for $19.95 a month, or you can get 2 for $36.95 a month. And I'm telling you, at most of these decant houses, you can only get one of them for $35. Like one decant for $35, especially of niche fragrances. And they have niche, designer, everything that you want. And some of these brands y'all been wanting to try out and test, I'm gonna show y'all today, they got them. So y'all already know how they come in a cute little travel size spray. And you see this is empty. Wait till I tell y'all. You see how this is empty, and of course you can refill these, which is, that's another reason why I love them. I always have a purse spray for any fragrance that I'm wearing because I have so many of these, because y'all know I got my own subscription as well. So I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box for Royalty Scents, because if you're still paying $35 for some of these niche and designer decants, like, girl, stop. You don't have to. First, we're gonna start off with this one that I emptied, and it is your good girl, your good Judy, Charnel. So I told y'all in my last video that the one that I did where I felt like I was missing out on fragrances that everybody has and I didn't have them. Well, Charnel was in there, and all the girls was like, girl, you need Charnel. And I see why, because honey, Charnel is that girl. As you can see, I was living for her, okay? I love this smell. It smells so good. I love the spiciness. I was scared of it, I think, because of the fig and the black tea, and I kind of thought it was going to be kind of black tea smelling, really. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know what I was thinking in the dark juice. I just didn't think it was going to smell the way it does, but it smells so good. I don't know why I feel like this smells like it kind of has like a cinnamon note or something in it, but man, Charnel is bomb. Like, I should have been had her. I should have been had her. But trust and believe, she's already on the way. So she ain't in today's haul, but she will be in the next one. Believe that. Next one I got was Goldfield & Banks Pacific Rock Moss. See, I told y'all they got the niche fragrances. Like, girl, they got them. So this is Pacific Rock Moss by Goldfield & Banks, and I got this one because I'm starting to gear up and start getting ready to, you know, start getting my spring summer scents. And y'all know I like to buy off season so my stuff can sit and marinate and do what it's supposed to do. And y'all, this smells good. Now this is definitely unisex. I can see a man and a woman wearing this. It's super watery, super aquatic. I see mostly men talking about this, but I have seen some women talk about it, and when they do, they kind of say that it reminds them of wood sage and sea salt. Now I will say that they're in the same family. They're definitely not the same. This actually reminds me more of Sailing Day from Replica, but I will say, because I have Sailing Day, this is way more smoother, way more refined than Sailing Day. Like, Sailing Day is giving you that punch of ocean water, that punch of just the sea and the ocean water. That's like the Pacific Ocean. This right here is giving me the water in the Maldives, honey. This is giving me the clear ocean, crystal blue water. You can look down and see your feet, okay? That's what this is giving me, and a bottle is already on the way. Last decant I got from Royalty Scent was Bloody Wood from Liquidy's Imagineers. I told y'all they got them. I told you they got everybody. Y'all been wanting to test out Dom Rosa. Y'all better give it Royalty Scent. Y'all paying $35 for decants when you could have just paid $20. Tried to told y'all. This is Bloody Wood by Liquidy's Imagineer. So I have Dom Rosa, I have Blanche Bed, and I think this is the last one that I want. Well, I already ordered it, so just to let you know. But I like this. Now I will say this one is not a safe blind buy. You definitely should get a decant of this, because I don't think everybody is gonna like this. Me personally, I like it. I like it a lot. I don't have anything in my collection that smells like this. You get the wine, it's like a red wine in it. You get the rose, and you get, like, on me, it smells slightly powdery, but the wood that's in there doesn't give me wood, it gives me suede. So it's real smooth. So you get the red wine, the rose, and the suede. And the blend is just, I love it. I really love it. And I have nothing in my collection that smells like this. And on my skin, it turns into a soft, powdery rose with that red wine on it and that suede flowing through it. I was like, ooh, this is cute. This is cute. I think I like it not only because I like it and I like it on my skin, but I like it because it's so unique. So bottle already ordered, will be in next haul. I be trying to tell y'all that Royalty Scents is the move. It is the move. So let's get into today's haul and the things that I bought in this haul. I pretty much love everything that I bought in my haul except one thing that y'all are obsessed with, and I'm like, she alright. I mean, she cute. She okay. I like her, but I should have tested it out better first. Let's start with the most affordable one, y'all, and this is a bomb ass vanilla, and it's Mercedes-Benz Club Black. So this is actually marketed to men. It says it is a eau de toilette for men. This ain't no eau de toilette, honey, because when I say this was on my skin pumping for many hours, I was like, oh, this is a noise. Now my good girlfriend Jessica Trim, she sent me a decant of it a while ago, and it was just kind of sitting there. I really wasn't really checking for it, but like I said, I'm trying to sample my stuff more and see what I want to bring in my collection that I actually love. Girl, I tried this just on a whim and was like, this is nice. So here is what the bottle looks like. I'm sure y'all have seen this before because it's super affordable. It's something I feel like a lot of us women just pass over because it's marketed to men. Y'all, this vanilla is bomb. This is so good. Like, I was shocked. Like, she giving Vanilla 28 somebody to talk to. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. This vanilla is good. It's vanilla and brown sugary smelling. Like, this is so good. I'm so glad I got, and it's affordable. It's affordable. It's like 50 bucks. I'm like, wow, and it stayed on my skin so long. Now the only downfall to this bottle is this is what the sprayer looks like. So it's like you have to put your finger down in there and to spray it. Well, I have fingernails, so I'm not able to spray it, and I wish I would have known that's how the sprayer was before I bought it. So I be having to like kind of use my thumb, and it makes it hard to spray. So what I've been doing is just using my thumb to decant it into like one of these little containers and use it like that, unfortunately. So like I said, it's marketed to men, and most men ain't wearing fingernails, so they can use this little button and get the hell on. But I don't regret purchasing this at all. I don't. I hate that the bottle is the way it is because everybody can't spray it, but other than that, the scent, I like it. I finally got the good Judy Ooze For Greatness. Everybody house about Ooze For Greatness, and y'all saw when I did the scents gift video, they sent me a decant of Ooze For Greatness, and I was like, okay, I like it. It's a lot better than what I thought it was. Like, I thought Ooze For Greatness was about to smell like a barnyard. I really did. Even though everybody was hyping it up, I was like, I don't know about that oud, honey. That oud might be too oudy for me. I don't know. But all the girls was like, no, like, this is the oud you need. I'm like, well, So they sent me that decant, and when I sprayed it, I was pleasantly surprised. It's such a smooth oud. Definitely unisex. Leans more to the masculine side, of course, but it has a sweetness and an airiness about it. And I was like, I do like this. So I went ahead and finished that decant. I said, nah, I see what they are talking about. So I went on ahead and pulled the trigger and got Ooze For Greatness. It came in a tester, like a white tester box. I can't show it to y'all because Diego ate it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I'm so happy to have her in my collection. Like, this is a beautiful oud. It's nice and smooth and airy and slightly sweet. It's like a more oudy baccarat. I know. Don't stone me. I know, because even me, I'm like, why do y'all want to compare everything to baccarat? I didn't mean to put it in those terms, but that's just kind of where my mind went. Okay, so yeah, it's like a oudier version of that, but yeah, it's nice, light, airy, sweet. It's a beautiful fragrance. So I finally got my hands on Le Capitale. Okay, so spring and summer is coming. So I was like, let me go ahead and get her now. Okay, first of all, the fact that I can't find this, I don't even know if it comes in 800 ml. If it does, please let me know, because I need this in a bigger bottle. I'm going to tell y'all that right now. Y'all howl about her for a good reason. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Now, another reason why I was hesitant to get it is because the notes in this are almost identical to Venom Incarnate by Stephen Umber Lucas. And I was like, I don't know if they're going to be the same. They both got like the leather in it and the caramel and the strawberry and all that good stuff. And I'm like, I don't need two of them. You know what I'm saying? They are not the same fragrance. This one has the strawberry and caramel and the leather, but it's blended like so nicely. Like you can barely even smell the leather in there, but you kind of know it's in there, but not really. You know what I'm saying? This is beautiful. With the other one, you smell the strawberry, you smell the leather, like you smell it separately. You know what I'm saying? I love that fragrance. I really do. It's very different in my collection, but the notes aren't blended like they are here. They're more separated, which I do still like that about the fragrance. So just to let y'all know, like if y'all was thinking about having one or the other, if you have Le Capital, you can still get Venom Incarnate, but just know that the strawberry and the leather and the caramel is all kind of separated in that fragrance. And here it's more blended together. So let's talk about Miss Rosendo number 6. So my girl Ev, hey Ev, from the Ev Effect, she was the one that made me feel like I want this fragrance. Okay, and then I'm like, oh, okay. So I started watching, you know, more reviews on it. The Gourmand Garden, she loved it, and then my girl Veronica said, she was like, you know what? They have been up number 5, but number 6 is that girl too. I'm like, okay, well, okay, let me get the girl, okay. And you know, number 5 was just sitting on my shelf looking lonely. I was like, you know, you need your sisters, okay. So I ended up getting number 6, and when I say I am not disappointed, I am not. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared because Jasmine, I have so many fragrances with Jasmine in it, but Jasmine as the front runner, as the leading actress, I was thinking Alien, and I'm like, no ma'am, that's not for me. But this, and I should have known. I should have known, because I'm like, if that man could make a rubber eraser smell amazing with some vanilla, that man know how to blend some fragrance, okay? So I should have known what. This smells so good. So you definitely get the jasmine, but it's not like screechy and just in your face rough. You know what I'm saying? It's blended. It smells good. The sandalwood gives it a nice creaminess to it. Like it smells floral, but soft, sweet, and floral. And what else is in here? Oriental musk. Well, that's probably why it smells soft. It smells like cozy. And when she was talking about the sillage, Ev said that the sillage had somebody chasing her. I think she was talking about number 6. Some man chased her trying to get what perfume she had on. I think she was talking about number 6. She might have been talking about number 5, but the sillage on this is just as nice as it is in number 5. Like, yes, beautiful. It smells so good. I'm so happy to have her, and she's sitting up there with her sister, and they just, you know, be gallivanting around up there. Okay, 2 more. We're almost done. So after I smelled number 6, I said, oh, this man knows what he's doing. No wonder he's a master perfumer. You know what I'm saying? So it was 1 more in the collection that I had my eye on, and I went on ahead and got her, and that is number 4. So I went ahead and got number 4. This is Saffron, Oud, and Vanilla. I mean, I love me some Saffron. I've been really into Oud lately, and Vanilla, I mean, come on. Like, what? Okay, now this one I would say try before you buy. I don't think this one is for everybody. You have to love Saffron. You have to like Oud. The vanilla is definitely there, but it kind of plays in the background. But the longer that I have it, the more the vanilla comes up. So I feel like this is one that I'm gonna let sit for a minute. But the Oud and the Saffron are front runners. They like, hey girl, I'm here. What are we doing today? You know what I'm saying? So I think it definitely has to sit for the vanilla to get a little sweeter, but it's still there. It's a light, sweet, airy type of vanilla. Kind of like how Blue Heart is. You know what I'm saying? Blue Heart is vanilla and saffron. It doesn't have the Oud though. So this is the Oud added in to like Blue Heart. Yeah, it's even getting sweeter now that I've had it for a little bit. It smells so good. So like I said, you have to love all 3 notes, and I think this is going to get better and better and better with time as the vanilla's up. But the saffron and Oud is on point. They're there, and it's blended so smoothly slow. So this is so nice. Smells so good. I have not worn this one yet. Like I wore number 6 already, but I haven't worn this one like outdoors yet. So we'll see how it goes. But I think I'm gonna let it sit for a little minute. But I'm definitely still happy with that purchase. Y'all know what the Rosendo boxes look like. I ain't even show y'all, but here they go. I don't keep boxes. Last one, y'all's Good Judy. that I'm like a little side-eyeing, okay? Miss Pastor Suare, okay? Now, me and Pastor Suare, we having a little tussle, okay? We having a little tussle. Y'all know what the BDK boxes look like. I'm going to show y'all this, but Diego got a hold of it, okay? Embarrassing. Not really. I got a dog, child. And he loves boxes and cardboard and shit. But anyway, me and Pastor Suare, now here's the tea with her. I like her. I like her. But it's something in there, and it might be that quince that is giving me a licoricey smell. And I don't like that. When I smelled it the first time, I loved it. I was like, ooh, Pastor Suare is beautiful. I see why everybody raves about it. But I just kept pushing it back and not getting it. But now that I got the full bottle, I smell it. I smell it. Now, I don't hate this fragrance. I don't hate it. I do like it, but I'm just not in love with it. And whatever that note is a little freaking annoying. And it might be that quince. So I like her. You know, she can stay. You stay, Shantae. You can stay up here with the rest of the BDKs. But if I should have got Gris Charnel before I got this one. But Gris Charnel's on the way. And she gonna sit with the rest of them. I think the only other BDK I want is Velvet Tonka. But yeah, so Pastor Suare is cute. I know this is y'all good Judy, y'all good girlfriend. I'm definitely gonna wear her and give her, you know, a real life outside of the home and really see how I feel about her after that. And you know, my mind could change. I might come back like, y'all, I'm in love with Pastor Suare. So don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. But as of right now, I'm like, I mean, she's cute. She's cute. So that is my first haul of 2022. Thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely subscribe to Royalty Scents, girl, and start getting you some decants from these niche houses for the best price, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.